the topic for today's talk is hometown. And Khushbu, yes, I unmute you. You get 2 minutes to talk. Okay. So your time starts and you are unmuted. Yes. Unmute yourself and start talking.
Hi, my name is Khushbu. I live in West Bengal. Uh,
Yep.
I,
Carry on.
I, my home is very small, but still we are very happy to live. Uh, I like to talk more and more with my friends and relatives. I'm feeling very nervous when I talk to someone else. Thanks. It's my
Great,
short
great.
intro.
Yeah, that's really nice, Khushbu. Very happy to hear it. Nice. This is the first initiative you have taken. That's really good. Very nice. Okay. Picking up Kalyani for the same topic. You have to talk for 2 minutes and people, it is about the hometown. Okay, so you have, okay, here, Kalyani comes here. Yeah.
Good evening. Myself Kanakatul Bhutkar from Maharashtra in Satara. My hometown name is Koregaon. My hometown is a beautiful city and I will never forget it. My hometown is really important to me because it's the place where I feel at home. It's where I was born, so I have sentimental attached to it. My family is there and I reminds me a lot of my childhood. It's quite important to me. Thank you.
Nice, very nice. But the only thing what I felt is you have to pronounce the word more clearly and you have to be little bit, giving gaps in between when you're talking. Okay? Because when you talk at a stretch, you're not, uh, understandable. People will, feel it difficult to understand your statements. When I share this recording with you, you will know. Okay? That is why I say you all should be recording your voice and understanding. Okay. Moving on with the next person, that is Simran. Yes, Simran, unmute and speak.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Simran Singh and I live in Bihar. And my school is Loyola High School. I study in 4A. And my hometown is also Bihar only. Okay. First thing I want to say is hometown is a very good topic. And my hometown is very rich in heritage and very culture it is. Uh, and it's it is very attached to me because I have born over there. I live over here, so it's very attached to me. I love my hometown because it's because my family live over here. My mother, parents, everyone live over here, and my school is also over here. It's my favorite. Just I wanted to say only this.
Thank you.
That's all. Thank you.
That's really nice. Really nice, Simran. Okay. So now the hometown is not attached to you, dear. It is you who are attached to hometown. Okay. You can say that I am very attached to my hometown because of all my childhood memories. It has given me a lot of love and care. All my people are there. So, living thing, a living person can be attached to something. So hometown cannot be attached to you, but you are attached to the hometown. Okay. Otherwise, it was nice. You started nice. And people, just say I say, that I'm from Gujarat. So Gujarat is my state. Okay. And Ahmedabad is my city. When I talk of my hometown, I should be talking of Ahmedabad, naming Ahmedabad. Okay. I have to name the place, the city, the town where one lives. Just say one person said about West Bengal. So I'm really happy to share that I'm also from West Bengal. And my birthplace is Kharagpur. So whenever I hear of West Bengal, I feel very happy, very attached. All my childhood memories, start freshing in front of me. So this is how you say. Okay, I have one more person, Pinky. Yes, Pinky, please unmute and talk.
हेलो
Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम मेरा नाम पिंकी रानी है और मेरा होम टाउन दिल्ली है.
Okay.
My hometown is Delhi,
Okay.
and Delhi is beautiful city, but Delhi has been very polluted now.
Okay.
And in Delhi have so much food to eat. There have so many special food also, like momos, pani puri, and so on.
Okay.
And there also famous one more thing,
Yeah.
Chandni Chowk ke parathe. And I also birth in Delhi. I study. I also study in Delhi,
Okay.
and I have now living in Delhi with my husband,
Okay.
and I have also child in Delhi. So my whole family is lived in Delhi.
Okay. Really happy to
And
know about you. Yeah, yeah. Carry on, Pinky. Yeah, you want to say something else? Bolo.
my I live in Delhi, and Delhi in Delhi my family is joint family. There are so many people in Delhi that I know, and there are also my new friends in Delhi that I have been known. And Delhi is beautiful city, but Delhi is polluted too. So I hope Delhi can be not polluted if the we plant plant the plant in the Delhi. Thank you, ma'am.
Nice. Great effort by you, Pinky. And I'm really happy to hear at a stretch talk from your end. See, people, again, I would say grammar weightage would be 25%. Don't worry. Yeah, it's very important for you to share your thoughts. Start speaking. आज अगर आप इतना बोल रहे हो ना, थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस के साथ आप बहुत ही अच्छे से बोल पाओगे. So very good, very nice. I'm very happy to hear. But yes, everyone has to improvise. कुछ कंटेंट पे improvise करिए, कुछ आप अपने फ्लुएंसी मॉड्यूलेशन उस पे improvise करिए. ओके. एंड इन सब के सेशंस मेरे एडवांस लेवल में होते हैं. सो यू कैन ज्वाइन द एडवांस लेवल वंस यू फिनिश योर बेसिक लेवल. ओके. लेट्स सी व्हाट आई हैव नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. हमने यहाँ पे आंसर कर दिया सबने इस टॉपिक का. नाउ गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई हैव. इंडोर गेम्स. चलिए, इंडोर गेम्स पे कौन बोलना चाहेगा? हु वुड लाइक टू स्पीक ऑन इंडोर गेम्स? कम ऑन, रेज योर हैंड. ओके, आई विल पिक अप सिमरन. यस सिमरन, स्पीक.
Ma'am, indoor games. Uh, it's very special. It's very useful because one time it was Corona, we all know, and we were not permitted to go out.
ओके.
Children were to play indoor games only, and it's very useful. If we are not permitted to go outside, or if there is any problem, we playing is really very important for children, and so they will play indoor games only. Like there are many types of games like chess, carom, ludo, and all. Thank you.
अरे, why you kept up? Why you moved out?
Because I'm not getting words and all.
Ah, no worries, no worries. See, when you practiced over here, na, see, when you try, you will know whether you have the vocabulary or not. But if you don't try only, how will you know whether you have vocabulary or not? So I'm very happy that you at least you tried and you realized that you have to work out more on the vocabulary. Okay, so this is the reason, again, one of the reasons why I keep on, telling you people practice, practice, revise, practice. When you revise, when you practice, you will find out all your limitations. And then accordingly, you can improvise on it. But good try. I don't see anybody, any other hands. Okay, Khushbu. Yes, Khushbu. Speak. Unmute and speak.
Hi everybody, myself Khushbu. My husband name is Pavan Mishra, and I like indoor games like video games like Ludo, Carrom board, chess. I like so much things to do at home. Uh, Piano, all things. All things I like I know indoor games is not so much good. Outdoor game is so good, but sometimes indoor is also good. In outdoor
Very
games,
true.
we play football, but in indoor games, chess, Ludo, etc., we can play. Thank you so much for giving this chance to speak.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very true, Khushbu. Very true. Yes, of course, indoor, outdoor, both the games are important. Especially the one who prompted chess. Chess किसने बताया आपको?
मेरे बेटे ने
हाँ, बिकॉज अभी अभी चेस प्लेयर हमारे कंट्री से है ना, अभी भी वन वेरी
हाँ,
गुड टाइटल फॉर द चेस. वेरी नाइस. यस,
मैं
इंडोर
चेस
आउटडोर.
भूल ही गई थी, लेकिन मेरे बेटे ने मुझे बतलाया कि
Exactly.
चेस
See, the
ही
kids are
होगा.
so smart. Very good. Very good. So great.
हम्म.
And yeah, let me see. Suman is raising hand. Yes, Suman, you can speak. Okay, I don't know why Suman has disappeared all of a sudden. Okay, Shrishti, you can speak.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Okay, Suman
ma'am,
is here.
I didn't get the chance.
Yeah, speak.
Can I say about the hometown first?
No, you can stay about the indoor game because now our topic is indoor game. You can speak on indoor game.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I love indoor games because there are so many types of indoor games to play.
Hmm.
Anybody is not getting the chance to go outside, though there are so many indoor games like chess, Ludo, etc. etc.
Hmm.
Like chess, I love chess caroms
Hmm.
because indoor games have so many things, and indoor games are interesting also. They are not boring at all.
Great. Very nice. Anything else you would like to say?
No, ma'am, thanks.
Okay. Perfect. So here we heard a lot of about the indoor games. Let me see what I have next topic for you all. But people, please pick up filter proper vocabularies as per the topic. Okay? Which we have already discussed. But still, just try even to find out with your own, vocabulary picking activities that we have done. Next topic, what do I have? Let me see. Let me check. Culture. Anybody would like to talk on the topic culture? Okay, Suman, Simran. Now there are two people here raising hand. I don't know who I gave. Okay, Simran. Yeah, Simran. Speak.
Ma'am, culture, it's very important because our India is only very much rich in, not only, but it is very much rich in culture. In any state of India we will go, we will see in Kerala also many types of spice. There are many types of pickles they made, and many types of dance called dance and all in northern side and southern side, west, east, anywhere we go, we will see different type of cultures, like uh, any everywhere we will see different types of cultures. uh culture, our heritage, our culture is very rich, and thank you.
Okay. So here we come to know that हमको टॉपिक शुरू करनी तो आती है, हमको टॉपिक को अच्छे से इलाबोरेट करना आता है, बट टॉपिक को खत्म कैसे करें? So you have to give one or two concluding sentences also. Okay, I'm really happy and really proud of the culture of India. And I enjoy everything from all the parts of India. Thank you. ऐसे करके you can finish. So you have to give a sentence that also concludes your content, your topic. Okay, people? I think it's time for me to pause here for today. And I will again pick you people up maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow हमारा जो टाइम है वो 7 to 8 का रहेगा. Okay? एंड हमारा जो क्लास मिस हुआ है ना आज थोड़ा सा, जो कि मिस नहीं हुआ, इट्स 9:30, हमने 8:30 to 9:30 कर लिया. सो नॉट टू वरी, आई होप यू आर लर्निंग. ठीक है, अभी चलिए मुझे थोड़ा सा रिव्यू दीजिए. तो व्हाट डिड यू लाइक द बेस्ट इन टुडेज रिवीजन क्लास? आज के रिवीजन क्लास में आपको सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा? रेज योर हैंड एंड जस्ट शेयर योर रिव्यू. कम ऑन, हु वांट्स टू शेयर? यू कैन स्पीक इन हिंदी, यू कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. जिस भी लैंग्वेज में आपको बात करनी हो कर सकते हो. इट्स अ रिव्यू शेयरिंग टाइम. ओके, आई वुड अनम्यूट रेनू। यस रेनू, प्लीज बताइए थोड़ा सा, आपको क्या लगा, कैसे लगा क्लास आज का?
हेलो।
यस रेनू।
हेलो। हाँ जी, गुड इवनिंग मैम।
गुड इवनिंग।
हाँ जी मैम, बहुत अच्छी थी क्लास। सभी के आइडियाज जो होते हैं, हम मतलब एक दूसरे से आइडियाज भी लेते हैं इस बात पे कि हमें टॉपिक कैसे शुरू करना है, आपने बताया कैसे एंड करना है ना। मतलब
हम्म।
इस चीज का भी पता लगता है, और मतलब वो कैब्स वर्ड्स का भी पता लगता है कि, है ना।
जी।
तो मतलब इस हिसाब से तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आज का सेशन। आज का क्या मतलब, हर दिन ही मतलब जब भी आप क्लास लेते हो तो आप जो बताते हो सही होता है। मतलब बहुत बढ़िया लगा मुझे सेशन, आपके सारे सेशन अच्छे हैं मैम।
थैंक यू रेनू, आप रिकॉर्डिंग करिएगा, अच्छे
हेलो।
से ग्रो करिएगा। थैंक यू।
हाँ जी मैम, ठीक है।
द अदर पर्सन आई वुड लाइक टू अनम्यूट इज सिमरन। हाँ सिमरन बोलिए।
Ma'am, the best part I like was when I say, okay, when I
हाँ
okay, when I say I'm really much shy because I didn't used to say I didn't used to give my put my ideas before anyone.
हाँ, so now
When
you
I
are
joined
doing it.
this, I really get the opportunities. And next, not only I express my ideas, I
Hmm.
also listen others' ideas, which from which I get much. Get the opportunity to learn something new, and it was really great for today. Not only today, for all the classes which I attended was really good. I really get interest in it. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you so much, Simran. It's great knowing that you're learning such a lot of things. And the last person today whom I would unmute is Suman. Yes, Suman.
Ma'am, I like that the about the culture. I like about culture and
Okay.
whole the topic.
Okay. So you spoke very nicely also. What else did you like?
What, ma'am?
What else did you like? Only talking, listening, revising? What did you like? Grammar? What did you like? Vocabulary, games? What did you like?
I like about the culture or indoor games that
Mhm.
I like the I mostly like about the persons who were speaking. So they were speaking so properly at all. And
Exactly. Hmm. All of them were speaking very nicely. I'm really happy to hear all of you.
yes, ma'am.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yeah.
मैं सुमन बोल रही हूँ, ये दोनों मेरी बेटियां कर रही है, और इतना अच्छा आपका क्लास लग रहा है ना कि दोनों मुझे मोबाइल नहीं दे रही है।
Yes, ma'am, ये
Oh,
लोग क्या
sweet.
कर सकते
आप सीख रहे हो
मतलब
ना? पता चले आप नहीं कर रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हो ना, यू आर ऑल्सो लर्निंग राइट?
हाँ, मैं सुन रही हूँ, लेकिन मुझे टाइप करने के लिए, बोलने के लिए दोनों में से दोनों कोई नहीं दे रही है। बोल रही नहीं, मैं करूंगी।
ग्रेट, चलिए मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि आप लोग सब इतने इंटरेस्ट लेके सीख रहे हो। वेरी हैप्पी टू गेट इन टच विथ ऑल ऑफ यू। अच्छे से
जी मैम।
प्रैक्टिस करिएगा, ऑल ऑफ यू रिकॉर्ड नाइसली, प्रैक्टिस नाइसली। ओके,
जी मैम।
आज का क्लास यहाँ स्टॉप करते हैं एंड बाय एवरीवन, कैच यू अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन।